Have you ever stopped to ponder how online shopping has profoundly altered the retail landscape? This massive shift began with the dawn of e-commerce, a phenomenon that emerged alongside the invention of the internet. Picture this. The year was 1994, a time when most of us were still dialing up for internet access, and the first online transaction took place. This historical event marked the birth of a new era, but it wasn't without its fair share of skepticism and fear. Many people were wary of the concept of online shopping. They questioned its security and the idea of purchasing something without physically seeing or touching it first. There was a certain level of discomfort associated with giving out personal information over the internet. However, like most innovative ideas, e-commerce faced its fair share of resistance before it became widely accepted. Despite the initial hesitation, e-commerce gradually gained traction, paving the way for a new era of retail. As we ventured into the new millennium, a few daring companies stepped into the uncharted territory of online retail. In the late 90s, two companies, Amazon and eBay, started to make waves in the world of retail. Amazon, founded by Jeff Bezos in 1994, began as an online bookstore. The company's goal was to be the planet's most customer-centric firm, and it didn't take long for Amazon to branch out into selling virtually anything you could think of. Then there was eBay, a marketplace where anyone could sell anything, founded by Pierre Omidyar in 1995. eBay introduced an innovative auction-style selling model, allowing individuals to not only purchase but also sell their items on the platform. This idea of a peer-to-peer marketplace was a game-changer in the e-commerce world. These companies transformed the retail landscape by offering a convenient and efficient alternative to traditional brick-and-mortar stores. Suddenly, consumers could shop from the comfort of their homes at any hour of the day or night. They could compare prices, read reviews, and have their purchases delivered right to their doorstep. It was a level of convenience that traditional retail had never been able to offer, but it wasn't just about convenience. These e-commerce giants also brought about a newfound sense of global connectivity. With a few clicks, a person in the United States could purchase a handcrafted item from a small business in India. It bridged the gap between local and global markets, making the world a smaller place. These companies were not without their challenges, though. They had to overcome issues of trust, as consumers were initially skeptical about buying things online. They also had to navigate the complexities of logistics, ensuring that products could be delivered efficiently across vast distances. However, their success stories have proven that it's possible to overcome these obstacles. Amazon and eBay have grown into multi-billion-dollar companies, serving millions of customers around the globe. They are a testament to the power of innovation, persistence, and a deep understanding of consumer needs. These pioneers of e-commerce set the stage for a retail revolution, one that would forever change how we buy and sell goods. Fast forward to the present day, and we find ourselves in the age of mobile shopping. The rise of mobile shopping, a revolution in itself, has dramatically shifted how consumers interact with the retail landscape. What was once a trip to the mall is now a few taps on a smartphone screen. The world of retail is literally at our fingertips. This shift didn't happen overnight, of course. It was a gradual process, fueled by a combination of technological advancements and changing consumer behaviors. As smartphones became more sophisticated, so did the apps designed for them. Retailers quickly realized the potential of this new platform and started to create shopping experiences specifically tailored for mobile devices. But mobile shopping isn't just about convenience, it's about immediacy. The ability to shop anytime, anywhere has transformed not just how we buy, but what we buy. Impulse purchases are easier than ever, and retailers have capitalized on this by offering time-sensitive deals and personalized recommendations right when we're most likely to buy. And then there's social commerce, the integration of social media platforms into the e-commerce sphere. Social media has become a powerful tool for online retailers, enabling them to connect with consumers on a more personal level. It's not just about selling products anymore, it's about creating a community, a sense of belonging. Through social media, brands can engage with their audience, share their story, and create a shopping experience that's as much about the journey as it is about the end product. This integration has only further bolstered online retail. Social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook have become virtual storefronts where consumers can discover new products, read reviews, and even make purchases without ever leaving the app. It's a seamless shopping experience that blurs the line between socializing and shopping, and it's changing the way we think about retail. The advent of mobile shopping and social commerce has made online shopping more accessible and prevalent than ever before. The retail landscape may have changed, but one thing remains the same. The consumer is still at the heart of it all. And as long as their needs continue to evolve, so will the world of e-commerce. So, where is e-commerce headed next? As we gaze into the crystal ball of e-commerce, a few potential trends stand out. First, expect to see artificial intelligence playing an increasingly prominent role. AI can help streamline the shopping experience, making product recommendations based on past purchases and offering customer service assistance around the clock. Next up, virtual reality. Imagine trying on a dress or walking through a new home without leaving your couch. VR has the potential to make online shopping even more immersive and interactive. Lastly, personalization is set to take center stage. Retailers are moving beyond one-size-fits-all marketing strategies, instead tailoring their offerings to individual consumer needs and preferences. This could mean more relevant product recommendations, personalized discounts, and even custom-made products. These advancements are set to further reshape the retail landscape, making e-commerce even more appealing and convenient. Only time will tell how these trends will unfold, but one thing is certain: the evolution of e-commerce is far from over. Let's take a moment to reflect on the journey we've just undertaken. We embarked on a voyage through time, starting from the dawn of e-commerce, when the seeds of online shopping were first sown. We then moved on to witness the rise of the e-commerce giants, those behemoths that transformed the way we shop and live. From there, we took a leap into the era of mobile shopping, where the world of retail was quite literally placed into our pockets. We explored how this shift has further enhanced our shopping experiences, making them more convenient, personalized, and quite frankly, irresistible. Finally, we glimpsed into the future, a future where e-commerce might take on new forms and shapes, driven by technologies that are yet to fully mature. It's an exciting, unpredictable journey that's far from over. As we've seen, e-commerce has revolutionized the retail landscape, and it promises to continue doing so in the years to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the evolution of e-commerce.